These are 8 LEDs. I've taken here. These are LEDs. Now I just like to show you something here before I start. Now if you see properly, all these LED pins, all these are cathode pins of LED. They are connected to the common. This particular line is common line. Okay, this particular line is common line. So I have connected all the cathodes together. All the cathodes. And on the other side, these pins are connected like this. Okay. Since they are connected like this, I have connected anode at different points. Is that clear? I have connected here these points. These are vertically connected like this. Okay. These are all. So these are 8 anodes. All cathodes are connected together, and all anodes are connected at the different points. Is this visible properly? Now what I'll do the connections first. Okay, just see the connections. So I've taken first as a black wire. Okay, conventionally we use black wire for ground. Can anybody tell which is the pin number for ground? So you have pin number 6 as ground. Okay, pin number 5 as ground. So I'll take help of pin number 6. Okay, pin number 6. 6 is on the upper end. Here there is 2, 4 and the third one is 6. I'm connecting here to the third one pin and I'll put this as a common ground here. I'm putting this as a common ground. Fine. One connection is done. Common ground means all the cathodes are grounded. Now I'll take one simple wire, one connection only. Okay. Let's say I'll take pin number 1. 1 is the output pin. No, 1 is 3.3. 2 is output pin. That is pin number 3. So I'll take pin number 3. On the inner side, pin number 2. Second pin is pin number 3 because inner side is all are odd pin. So I've connected here and I've connected to this LED. Rather I'll take this. And I'll take it here only. See, by default the pin is high, the LED is glowing. Can you see this LED glowing? Now what I'll do, we'll try to write a code for this. Okay, I'll take this here. So I'll start Python now. Now you will be telling me one by one the commands. I'll just start this. Chalo, let's try. No, I won't try here. I'll just write a code directly. Okay, yeah, I'm in here. What will be my first command?
RPI, GPIO or GPIO.
Import. Exactly. My first command is import RPI I is small dot GPIO as GPIO. Fine. As GPIO. Next is GPIO dot set mode. In bracket, I'll write GPIO dot out. Correct? Will I write GPIO dot out or board?
Board, sir.
I have to write board. GPIO dot board. Don't put semicolon. These two commands are over. After this, I have to set up the pins. So I'll write GPIO dot setup. Set up. In this I'll write what I'll write pin number. What was my pin number? 3, comma. I'll write GPIO dot out. Then I'll write whether I have to make it high or low. So till this point, my connections are done. Now my code will be written always like this. Okay, in a while loop, because it should be an infinite loop which is going on. Now I'll write GPIO dot output in bracket 3 comma GPIO dot high. But यहाँ पर मुझे और एक package import करना है. I have to import one more package.
Time, sir.
Import time. So here I'll write time dot sleep for 1 second. Now I'll just take this and I'll make it low. Finished. This is my code. I'll go in the programs, and I've told you last time also. So programming ka bhi ek rule hai. There's a rule of programming that whenever I start my programming, I'll write hello world. And whenever we go hardware programming, we generally work with blinking LED program. Okay. So I'll write blink LED. Enter. So my code is ready. Now let's go to the code. Run. Execute. It is giving some error. What error is giving? There is no attribute called as output. Fine. So here it was output. Here I did a mistake, I think, in writing. It should be a smaller case. Okay, this should be in the smaller case. Now let's say run. What happened? I think here GPIO dot. Can you see this? LED is blinking. So in this way, everything I'll be practically demonstrating. Fine. Now I can stop the warnings. This warning is there. What I can do here is GPIO dot set warning false. True and false are having the only first alphabet capital. See, now there is no warning when the program has started. Can you see there was no warning? But now I don't understand properly whether my code is giving output or not. So what I can do, here I can, along with this, here I'll write print LED on. And here I'll write print LED off. Done. And now I can run the code. Is it okay now? Is it clear? Fine. I'll press Ctrl C. The program execution should stop. Or else I can go to, see here, anything is there? No, nothing is there here. So I'll just say close, it will say kill it. Fine. Now what we'll do, we'll connect some 3-4 LEDs more. So let's have some practice with working with LEDs. So I'll connect LED to pin number 3, that is pin number 5. 3, 5, 7, 9 is ground. 11, 13, 15, 17 is again ground, 19 and 21. I'll connect it to these pins. So let me take some few wires. I'll do the connections and you can see the connections. So I'm taking pin number from here. I'm taking pin number 3. This is 3. Fine. Pin number 3. Please, one more thing. I am working on Raspberry Pi. Please, you don't try these stunts. By mistake, if you short the pins, Raspberry Pi will blow off. Since I know I am, trained properly, that's why I can directly, I'm working with on Raspberry Pi. But you don't try these stunts. Now, it was 1, 3, 5, 7. Next is pin number 7. So I'll take up pin number 7 from here. I'll take up pin number 7. Okay. After that, pin number 9. So I'll leave one pin from here and I'll connect it to the next pin. This is pin number 9. I left one pin in between. So I'm connecting it here now. After 9, I have to take pin number 9 is not there. 3, 5, 7, 9 I have left. It was 11 pin. Okay. I have taken 3, 5, 7. I have left 9. I have taken 11. After 11, I have to take 13. So I am taking 13 pin now. Okay, this is 30. Then I'll take pin number 15. take pin number 15. So next LED will be connected to pin number 15. So I have taken pin number 15. After that, I have to leave one pin and then again connect further. So that is pin number 19. So I'll leave this pin and I'll connect to the next pin. Okay. And I'll connect it here. And finally the last pin, pin number 21. I'll take up 21 and I'll connect it here. So I hope the connections are visible now. All the connections are here. Is it fine? And now what we'll do, we'll modify our code. What I have to do is, I'll just change this first. So I'll write here 5, 7, 11, 13, 15, 19, 21. Okay. So here I have copy pasted. I have done the connection. I have just copy pasted the code. And now what I'll do, I'll even copy all these lines here. One more is needed. So here what I'll do, I'll just write pin number 5, 7, what was the next pin? 11, 13, 15, 19, 21. I've made this all as high. Fine. And after once all the high are made, I'll try to make all as low. So just I'll copy this much. And I'll make all these pins as low. Till this I write a code. Can anybody think of one shortcut way for this? How? By using the smart logics, I can reduce the line of code. Okay, so my code is ready now. Let's run the code. Fine, all LEDs are blinking, you can see this.